Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to reduce eye strain by using the blue eye filter on your iPhone, also known as night shift, I will show you how to turn it on. Let's dive in. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the setting app. Scroll down and tap display and brightness. In the display and brightness menu, tap on night shift. Here, you can schedule night shifts to turn on automatically. Tap on the schedule and set your preferred time. For example, you might choose to have it from sunset to sunrise. To turn night shift on manually, toggle on the switch for manually enable until tomorrow. This will keep night shift on until the next day. Use the slider at the bottom to adjust the color temperature. Moving it to the right makes the screen warmer, and moving it to the left makes it cooler. And that's it guys, you've successfully turned on the blue light filter or night shift on your iPhone to help reduce eye strain. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.